All right, Rob Frazier here. This video is for those people who've been following me, have joined me in different businesses over the years, and everything, all of that good stuff, blah, blah, blah. So this right here is the vehicle of digital marketing, affiliate marketing success. A vehicle generally has 4 tires, 1 engine, and fuel. I'm sure you can agree that most vehicles have 4 tires, 1 engine, and some fuel to keep the whole thing going. So what does that have to do with this MLM Lead Pro system that I've been promoting? First off, there's 4 steps of MLM Lead Pro. The first 2 are free. Now, let's explain it. A vehicle has 4 tires to make it go. The first tire is a list building system. MLM Lead Pro is that free list building system. The second tire is you can have the best list building system in the world, but if nobody is clicking on it, if you're not getting clicks, you're not going to get anyone opting in, you're not going to get paid. So the number 2 tire is clicks. When you join me in MLM Lead Pro, get the free account, step number 2 is going to show you how to get clicks, straight up clicks. The third tire, use your imagination, but it's back this way. The third tire is content. What is content? Content is stuff you post on social media and videos, blog posts, podcasts, just anything you put on the internet that other people can check out is content. So my step number 3 for me, you are going to join one of the premier businesses to learn how to create content on social media first, so you can start getting people to click, that's the second tire, on your list building system, which is the first tire. So the last tire is connections. There's 3 C's of marketing, and the 3 C's of marketing is those 3 tires: clicks, content, connections. You want people clicking on your list building system to opt in to build your email list to make money. You want to put stuff on the internet, videos, blog posts. This right here is me content marketing in hopes that you will click on my website. A percentage of people watching this video will. It's just that simple. And the ultimate goal is to build a list of connections. Connections are people who want to do business with you. And with this vehicle, that step, that 4th tire is you'll learn how to make connections, especially with step number 4. It has instant AI micro business, but that right there is the tripwire offer for Power Lead System. In the Power Lead System, you're going to go through a training called Endless Free Leads. You get it for free as a PLS member. That will teach you how to talk to people to build connections. So we have our 4 tires: our list building system, clicks, content, and connections, all within MLM Lead Pro. Now, an engine. The whole thing will not go anywhere unless you have an engine, something that's high powered to push the vehicle forward. In this, I have something that I've dubbed the crypto retirement plan. When you join me in MLM Lead Pro and you join step 2, that's going to show you how to get clicks, but it's also going to show you how to leverage crypto to get continuous traffic. And there's also a very smart way to eventually retire from this whole thing using crypto trading. And you're not going out of pocket for it. You're just using your affiliate commissions. You're going to start using some crypto to get more traffic. And as more traffic comes in, more people join you in your business. That list of connections, you start making more money. You put some in a crypto trading account. You learn how to trade with our system. You join one of our high-powered automatic businesses, one of our crypto businesses, TAS V7, on the back end, and you're funding your own retirement. It's just built in automatically. That's why I call it the crypto retirement plan. That right there is the engine. Now, the very last thing you need is fuel. Fuel to make this whole thing go forward. If you don't have the fuel, it doesn't matter if you have some of the best tires, Pirelli, whatever, Goodyear tires, it doesn't even matter. If you don't have the tires and you don't have any fuel in the engine, you're not going to go anywhere. Fuel, what is this fuel? Well, one of the products within the Power Lead system, that was step number 4, There's an NLP, neuro-linguistic programming training, mindset course, goal setting. I just don't want to just call it NLP training. It's a lot of stuff that's baked in there. It's mentoring. Also, step 3 and step 4 have their own mentoring pieces. Not to mention, you join me in business, you're going to get me as a mentor as well. You need to get around people who are doing this stuff and making it work. This is not a business you do by yourself. If you know, a lot of people, some people can do it by themselves, but they got big followings. If you don't have a big following, a big budget, you're not used to buying traffic, buying advertising, that sort of thing, you need to get around other people who are doing it. So we have our mindset and our mentoring. That right there is the fuel to put into the engine to push those 4 tires down the road. So if you're interested in working with me, getting this vehicle set up for yourself so you can drive wherever you want to go, click on the link below this video, get a free account to MLM Lead Pro, and then I'll be reaching out to you. You can reach out to me, and I'll show you how to put these pieces together to make them working. Also, 43 signups. Jumped up there just after 2 solo ads. I can show you exactly how to make this thing work for you. So that being said, and also you can use this to promote anything you want. You can also use faceless marketing. I know I'm kind of getting in a few little extra weeds there, but I just wanted to throw that out there. Any which way, link is below. Create a free account. We'll see you in the next one. Peace!